Hey guys, I'm Danny Light and this is the Art of Style, episode 4. In past episode we made the build up. In this episode we will make the climax drop. This is the final result. I will cut it from end of the video. And after this pre-wife we will start. Okay, let's start with the climax drop. First of all, of course, I will take all of this leads. Of course, let's loop the lead part. Really, first I will delete the bass. Because we don't need here bass, we will add it. We will add kick, of course. The harp thing and more sounds we will add to the second part. So I duplicate them all, like so. And by the way, the melody is coming from my huge melody pack. You can check it later from description from my store. It's at the moment on the sale. Okay, I take from bass. Make it this kick. I use for kick the Nimble plugin. Really love this. Simply drag and drop. Okay, take the bass, make the notes longer. Kick is coming from my Hardstyle samples volume 2. Let's make this up. I think I will edit also the kick. Let's hear them together. Of course, what I always do when the kick is playing the Pro in B, this is compressor, multiband compressor. It will cut out all the low end. I love cut out with the kick pretty much a lot, but everyone is making the different way. This is my way. So yeah, also very big role playing the kick, which type of kick you use. And what I else do is adding the little bit of the sidechain. I will enable the automation when the kick playing. Of course, in between I can automate it to the kick like compressor, but I will make this time like this. Giving some space for the kick. Okay, I think I want edit the kick. Where is the kicks? Hardstyle. I think I will use this kick. No, actually for this melody, we'll use this. I will little bit add more volume to the punch. And I boost some bass high end. Just little tweaks. Okay, let's hear how it goes. Okay, yeah, the crash at beginning of the drop. And maybe let's take this. This is the first note I made longer from the melody. To make this fading in effect. This is various effects I used. I talked it about in the lead tutorial, I believe. So, and before the kick, usually at first kick part I don't use a lot of the rolls, but let's make it a little bit more interesting. I copy the settings, let's see, ghost notes for the leads, like so, and kick is the last notes. Sorry about that. Full of the lead. Or add even more. Then add this crash following the kick. Also some little effects, little things, but it's ear candy. Maybe reverse it, crash. Like so. Let's shorten up it. And maybe various effects kicks. Taking from my samples. take this first kick. Okay, this way it doesn't work. As I said, any kind of stuff doesn't work in any kind of melody. Maybe I used here as I have in this break the strings. No, I will keep it simple like it is, because it doesn't work. And for second part, usually I add harps, and there is this Atma lead, background lead, also adding there, and sometimes I add progressive, but this time I think I will undo it. And here we can also do like this. Let's copy it, paste. It's for the beginning. I'm taking this at end of the harp and adding at this loop end. Where is this transition happening? Let's add it here. And let's hear it first. Okay, it might work. Let's take the spire. Let's make this pitch bend from down. Making the automation. Where is the pitch bend automation? Like this. Start from bottom. As you can hear it, this strange effect, but sometimes it's cool. Maybe from up. Little air candies, as I say. As you can hear, it's actually pretty interesting. There I will cut out a little bit of the highs. And usually for the second part of the melody I make a lot more the how I'd say effects. Always 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 every second bar. I believe it said. English is not my main language, so yeah, sorry. I can't talk it really clean. Of course, all I do now in future video, I will also, as I promised, I will make whole project in these episodes, full track, and in future, anyways, we will, when the track will be almost finished, we will add air candies and this kind of stuff. First, at the moment, let's work on this guy. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the second. Here actually it's long notes, but sometimes I experiment. Yeah, And this actually worked very well. Maybe like this. And you can copy this to this, but make even more tweaks. And here we already will go to the second break. Yeah, I love to make 2 breaks. And for this I basically take the same stuff. And let's take these sweeps. Let's shorten up it. Like so. Of course, it's not perfect, but I try to make as fast as I can. Of course, usually it takes a lot of more time, but at least you will get the idea. And there, let's add this name. And now it sounds. And if I will loop to there, at the moment we don't have break, but I think break will be our second thing we will work on. Let's listen to full from build to the melody drop. Forgot to enable it. And this is one way to make the drop, climax drop. Of course, we will in future edit the things, but at the moment we will keep it as it is. In next video, I think we will work on the break. I will leave the break. Well, we'll see you guys in next video. Have a good evening, night, morning when you watch this. See you.